Just naman tayo, for sure, ang ating mga players ay very, ano naman tayo, yan.
Verse 8, each of these living beings had 6 wings, anim ang pakpak ng mga anghel. And there
First and all, the ready team conference. Kuwang-kuwa agad po sa EC2. Grabe naman po ang EC2 at the Soldier Prize. Batang na batang na po ito. Boss John at the company of Fast John and Coach Joseph. Running behind and with the pass for Coach Emma. What's up, man? It's 4-0. 4-0 going favor. Siyempre, hindi na yung mabay ng ating Gogi ng Pinas.
Daddy! Ball picture mo si Daddy! Daddy! Go Daddy Ball!
Rebel
Go Daddy Ball!
Influencers versus our SK Ball.
Go Daddy Ball!
We're back to the full game on Zen Parker.
Go Daddy Ball!
Here's the second quarter of the first exhibition match. Wala ko, grabe na pinay ni Coach Jojo.
Yes!
One hand rebound ni Coach Joseph. Andyan na rin po si Coach. For the world, trying to go in. Whoa! Soldier tries to get the ball and oh.
Daddy Ball! Yay! Go! Ay, sorry.
Pekto. Bola na. Soldiers of Christ. This is Pekto and this is Crusher. Oops! Oh, what an hesitation! Wala. Galing ko si Anton Video eh. Galing ko si Anton Video.
Shoot na dapat
Running for MVP si Anton Video. Last minutes tayo, last minutes. Anton Video, pa-video na lang. Ay, hindi ka bigas? Uy, skip. Mas video. Hinga. Marami po. Anton Video na po. Pekto. Oy! Marami si Pekto. Papawihan ng Indian. Papawihan ng Indian. Oh, basta marami with the defensive rebound. Pass to Crusher. Sige, ito si Crusher. Titingnan natin kung saan si Crusher. Yan, naman Pekto. Pinip ang Pekto! Wala. Salva! Oy, pinagka pa.